Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of living with dirty floors? What if I told you there's a game-changing solution? The roborock Saros 10R robot vacuum and mop is a top-rated and highly sought-after product that has been making waves in the world of cleaning technology. This powerful device is capable of effortlessly gliding across your floors, picking up dirt and debris with ease, leaving a satisfying humming sound as it navigates through your space. As it moves, the soft bristles of the mop gently caress the floor, providing a thorough cleaning that leaves your floors feeling smooth to the touch. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its effectiveness and ease of use. One of the key benefits of the roborock Saros 10R is its ability to seamlessly transition between different floor types, whether it's the plush carpet in your living room or the sleek hardwood in your kitchen. The device is also incredibly quiet, allowing you to run it during the day or night without disturbing your daily activities. The result is a clean and healthy home environment, free from dust and allergens. In real-life use cases, this product has proven to be a lifesaver for busy homeowners who don't have the time to constantly sweep and mop their floors. It's also a great option for pet owners, as it can easily pick up pet hair and dander. What sets the roborock Saros 10R apart from other robotic vacuums on the market is its impressive suction power and advanced navigation system. This means that it can thoroughly clean your floors without getting stuck or lost, providing a sense of relief and freedom from the hassle of traditional cleaning methods. Overall, the roborock Saros 10R robot vacuum and mop is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their cleaning routine and experience the joy of coming home to a clean and tidy space. With its impressive features and benefits, it's no wonder that this product has become a popular choice. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.